this is a cacophony of disaster that has been put in place with this move. And it should have been a special counsel initially, and Merrick Garland blew it.
Merrick Garland, who appointed a special counsel in the Hunter Biden probe, who was already the U.S. Attorney, David Weiss. I mean, this is the same David Weiss that gave the sweetheart plea deal to Hunter Biden that was slapped down by the judge. The same David Weiss that's team was letting the statute of limitations expire. He was supposed to basically have the powers of a U.S. attorney. But remember, Dad, all these whistleblowers came out and said, he came to them and said, no, I don't. I can't bring a case in California. I can't bring a case in this state or that state or D.C. I've got to get approval unless it's in Delaware where I'm U.S. attorney. Well, he doesn't have to anymore, except for the fact that he also won't have to testify before Congress, and now he'll get to issue his report vindicating Hunter Biden, but especially maybe not Hunter Biden as much as it is Joe Biden.
But you understand this. They're also talking about, and this is something people need to understand, that the statute of limitations continues to, click away as long as there's not an indictment. That keeps expiring. The deception here is what they're trying to pull on the American people. And I think it's as much as a legal deception as it is a political deception.
Right. It's like a Mueller report that had no teeth, but this will be a Weiss report that praises how Joe Biden conducted himself.
That we've investigated all of this, we've looked at it, and we cannot find the evidence to support a crime other than the two crimes we set forth in the original indictment. He goes to another judge in another jurisdiction. Now he's got national jurisdiction, and he gets it done. And that's what's going to happen. But here's the good news. Congress is on top of this, and we are too, because we're representing the whistleblowers. Congress is having oversight hearings, so they're not going to get away with this. And then what we do at the ACLJ, put that lawsuit on the screen, off we go into federal court. So we're getting results here, folks. It's just like when we took the IRS down. It's a slower process, but we're in federal court on this.
Join the ACLJ in the fight to keep America free.